In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily archive a highlight on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile page. That's where you can easily find your highlights. Highlights are basically your archived stories, which you can put right here in such circles on your main profile page. If you want to archive some highlight without deleting them, you can just touch and hold your finger at that highlight. However, it gives us just an option to delete that highlight. And the key here is that you can just hit a delete highlight to hide it from your profile page, and that will not delete stories in your archive. This will just delete that highlight from your profile page, but it will not remove stories from your stories archive. And if in the future you want to add a story from the archive, you can easily do so by hitting at that plus sign. That will open up Stories archive, and then you will be able to select one story or multiple stories at the same time, and then you will be able to add them to the highlight by hitting at next and doing all that stuff, just like that. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.